The leak didn't come from a factory floor. It didn't come from a spy photo, a drone shot, or a hidden test track. It came from a few lines of code, and those lines may have revealed something far bigger than anyone expected. This isn't another rumor about a minor software update or a cosmetic refresh. Hidden inside a recent firmware build were references to a completely unknown Tesla vehicle platform, a project that doesn't match any currently announced model. And if the information is accurate, Tesla isn't just preparing a new car, they're preparing a new strategy, one that could reshape their entire lineup and possibly the future of affordable electric vehicles. The discovery that started it all, it began, as many Tesla leaks do, with firmware analysis. Every time Tesla pushes a software update, independent developers and enthusiasts examine the code. Over the years, these discoveries have revealed upcoming features months, sometimes years before official announcements, but this time was different. Inside a recent firmware build, analysts found references to a new internal platform name that didn't correspond to any known vehicle. Not Model S, not Model 3, not Robotaxi. Instead, the code referenced something internally labeled NV91, and what makes NV91 unusual isn't just the name, it's what appears around it. A platform that doesn't fit any current Tesla. The NV91 REFERENCES weren't limited to one file. They appeared across multiple systems, including battery management, thermal control, drivetrain configuration, and even manufacturing parameters. That suggests this isn't a concept, it's a real vehicle platform in active development. But when analysts compared the specifications implied by the code, something didn't match any existing Tesla. The vehicle appears to use a smaller battery architecture, support a new ultra-efficient drive configuration, operate under a different thermal profile, use simplified sensor configurations, include references to next-generation manufacturing methods, and, most interesting of all, the estimated energy consumption values were significantly lower than anything Tesla currently sells. That points to one possibility. This vehicle is designed to be extremely efficient and very affordable. The missing piece in Tesla's lineup for years. Tesla has hinted at a next-generation low-cost vehicle, a compact model built for mass adoption, but official communication around the project has been vague, shifting between timelines and priorities. Some reports suggested the project was delayed. Others claimed Tesla shifted focus toward autonomous vehicles instead. But the NV91 code tells a different story if accurate. Tesla hasn't cancelled the affordable car, they've been quietly building it, and they may be much further along than anyone realized. A new manufacturing philosophy. What makes NV91 particularly interesting is the manufacturing data embedded in the firmware references. There are indications the platform is designed around large structural castings, simplified wiring architecture, reduced part counts, integrated battery structure, new assembly sequences, optimized for speed. In other words, this isn't just a smaller car, it's a vehicle designed from the ground up to be built faster, cheaper, and at massive scale. And that aligns perfectly with Tesla's long-term goal, producing millions of vehicles annually without traditional automotive complexity, a different kind of battery strategy. Firmware also contains hints about battery configuration. Unlike current vehicles that prioritize large capacity for long-range, NV91 appears optimized for high efficiency per mile, smaller battery packs, faster charge cycles, improved thermal stability, lower material costs. This suggests Tesla may be shifting toward a philosophy of efficiency over size. Instead of building bigger batteries, they're building smarter vehicles that require less energy in the first place. That approach dramatically reduces cost, the biggest barrier to widespread EV adoption. Autonomous ready from day one. Another intriguing detail. The code references autonomous system compatibility. Even though sensor configuration appears simplified, this suggests the vehicle is designed to operate with Tesla's camera-based full self-driving system, and there's more. Some internal references hint at fleet operation modes, remote management features, usage optimization, logic, hydrostatistical thermal parameters. That's not typical for a personal vehicle. Those are the kinds of systems you'd expect in a shared fleet vehicle, which raises an important question. Is NV91 the affordable consumer Tesla, or the foundation for a future autonomous ride network? The Robotaxi connection. Tesla has repeatedly discussed the idea of a dedicated or autonomous vehicle, a car designed specifically for ride-hailing operations. But what if Tesla isn't building two separate platforms? What if the affordable consumer vehicle and the fleet vehicle are the same machine? That would dramatically reduce development and manufacturing complexity. It would also allow Tesla to produce one platform at enormous scale, selling some units to consumers while keeping others for its own autonomous network. The NV91 code hints that this kind of dual-purpose strategy may already be in motion. Why this secrecy? Tesla is known for teasing upcoming products, so why keep this one so quiet? There are several possible reasons. First, pricing expectations. If Tesla announces a very low-cost vehicle too early, it could cause potential buyers to delay purchasing current models. Second, Competitive pressure. A truly affordable Tesla would disrupt not just EV competitors, but the entire global automotive market. Keeping details hidden delays competitors' ability to respond. Third, manufacturing readiness. Tesla often waits until production methods are fully validated before making major announcements, and based on the manufacturing references in the firmware, NV91 may depend on processes that are still being finalized. A shift toward global scale. If NV91 is what the code suggests,